car?
Yep.
Okay.
Bye. Bye.
Oh wait, we gotta see your face.
No. Make sure you. Hey. No. Never. Never.
Why? Does it need a battery?
Yeah.
Alright, get one and put one in there.
No. Oh yeah. Need battery.
Okay, go get one off your truck.
No. That one need battery too.
Okay, forget it.
Let's that shows you now. Uh-oh. Oh, that's you.
Hey, what happened?
You go off.
Off the train tracks?
Yeah.
Where's it going?
No, you. Me.
It's gonna come over on my knee.
Yeah.
Run my knee over?
Yep.
Uh-oh. There it comes. Uh-oh.